Welcome to your News Ticker Central, your place for technology and gadget top lists, must-haves and reviews. Before we begin, please take a second to subscribe. Now that you have subscribed, let's begin. After 5 years of development, Lenovo is almost ready to ship the ThinkPad X1 Fold, which it claims is the first PC with a foldable flexible display. After the announcement of the features of the ThinkPad X1 Fold and related accessories, the company opened pre-orders at the price of $2,499. The ThinkPad X1 Fold features a 13.3-inch OLED display that curves like a book. The two halves do not close together. As in the Galaxy Z Fold, there is a gap, so there is enough room to fit between the halves of the screen a Bluetooth mini keyboard, specially designed by Lenovo for this device. X1 Fold can wirelessly charge your keyboard while it's inside. Other accessories include Lenovo Mod Pen and easel stand. The system runs Windows 10 and features Intel Core, Lakefield, processors with Intel hybrid technology. There is also a variant of a laptop tablet with a 5G module if the user wants to be constantly in touch. Lenovo did not say exactly when the X1 Fold will begin shipping to customers. Earlier deliveries were scheduled for mid-year, but obviously something went wrong. However, the fact that the company has begun accepting pre-orders is a clear sign that the system is ready to go to market. Detailed features of ThinkPad X1 Fold. Split screen experience. Just as the name implies, the ThinkPad X1 Fold offers a split screen experience. For two side-by-side screens, fold it like a book, great when you want to compare something, take notes, read or just multitask. Switch it to appear top to bottom on the split screen, and you can sketch, jot notes, or type with the on-screen keyboard. Seamless folding. The ThinkPad X1 Fold offers a complete 13-inch 2K monitor with a brilliant and seamless folding OLED screen. You can use it as a phone, depending on the built-in kickstand or the optional easel to keep it up if you want to browse online, stream a video, or watch a presentation. Mode switcher. The ThinkPad X1 Fold PC targets Windows on the computer with the Lenovo Mode Switcher app, but you want to use them. It allows you to split the screen in two quickly and easily or use full width for one wide monitor. When you need it, it also automatically changes to display the on-screen keyboard. Like a sketchbook than a laptop. The ThinkPad X1 Fold, bound in an enticing leather folio, looks more like a sketchbook than a laptop. Compact and elegant, it's also functional. To keep your computer upright, the folio includes a built-in stand. It fits right into your jacket pocket at just 2.2 pounds or 0.99 kilograms, and also into a small handbag. Plus, on the track, it's rugged enough to withstand rough care. Productivity boost. To take your experience to the next level, add optional accessories to the ThinkPad X1 Fold. Plug in and connect to a USB-C dock with up to 2 external monitors. The optional Lenovo Fold mini keyboard connects via Bluetooth, can be connected magnetically, and charges wirelessly when the computer folds around it. The optional rechargeable Lenovo Mod Pen is ideal, particularly with its epic battery life, when you want to take notes or sketch. Please note that any Bluetooth keyboard can be used with the ThinkPad X1 Fold, including full-sized. Continuous connectivity. The ThinkPad X1 Fold, designed for the future of universal 5G technology, provides a true smartphone-like experience on an always-connected PC. The swift Wi-Fi 6 helps you to easily hop on crowded public platforms. And you can enjoy quicker, more stable access to your server and uninterrupted video streaming with the optional 4G and 5G service. Stay connected, no matter where you are, to what matters most. Built-in security. The ThinkPad X1 Fold encrypts data with a distinct Trusted Platform Module, DTPM, making it more difficult to hack and to keep your sensitive data more secure. Tough ThinkPad. The ThinkPad X1 Fold continues the ThinkPad tradition of trustworthy quality and reliability with its robust multi-link torque hinge feature. With a custom motherboard that delivers a powerful output, every bit of space is maximized. To establish ideal temperatures inside, multiple heat spreaders distribute thermals. The versatile polymer OLED show can survive the rigors of life. Would you opt to use the ThinkPad X1 Fold instead of the regular laptop, especially while traveling? Do let us know in the comments below. That's all for now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.